clean up with clown. Love to do people animals. Oh no, afraid of carpets. Our house is full of trash. Ma don't like the red can.
I think I know someone that can help me. Clown, I think I can help you. Really? Thank you, Bennett. Bennett goes home. He thinks he can find a solution for Clown. After reading a little, Bennett got an idea. Bennett goes to school to talk with his friends. Children invite their parents to clean up the beaches and help Clown. People don't know beaches are not trash bins. Are you better now? Yes, Bennett. My house is clean now. Nice job, guys. We worked together to take care of our planet. Thank you, Clown.
Like! Thanks for watching. Subscribe.